Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm really excited to do a quick video demonstration of these RIMGARD wheel locks. This is a really great company that makes a wheel lock that is virtually indestructible and pretty much a situation where nobody will be able to steal your wheels because it'll be so much work. It's not worth it. They'll damage them. The lock is super strong. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'll show you everything you get. I'll show you how to install them and how they look. Okay, so this is your packaging. This is everything you'll be receiving, important information. This is what the actual lock looks like. I'll show you how to install it. You're gonna have to remove this piece from the back. They give you an Allen key to help fasten it, as well as the key to lock it. These are really nice keys, which is also nice. You can keep them on your keychain. It's not bulky. And they also give you a special putty. Oops, excuse me. This special putty right here to pull off your center caps, because your factory center caps will fit back onto here, so it has a factory look to it. That way you won't have to remove your wheels. You just use the putty, you pull them off. I'll show you how to do that. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how to install them now. So first thing you need to do is apply some of this putty to your center cap. Get the back of a cup or something similar to this. This should work just fine. We'll see how it goes. And you're going to firmly press on here. Make sure everything sticks real well. Also, make sure your center cap is free of wax. You could use some rubbing alcohol just to prep it, and make sure that the back of whatever you're using is, you know, free and clear of any kind of like waxes or anything. Just make sure you get a good bite on it. Push firmly, and you're going to do a quick pull. Center cap comes right off. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of your wheel locks, and from all the little tools here, this is to remove this inner piece right here. This is your locking mechanism. So you're going to put this tool in. You tighten it with an Allen key, but you could do it by hand for now. So you're just going to open this up and remove the two pieces, like so. This is the ring that's going to go into your rim. This is how it actually holds on. So what you're going to do is you're going to line this notch up with one of your lug nuts, and you're going to line the same side up. Doesn't matter, or this one, but it's got to be where this is. It actually has a line, so it actually does matter. I'm sorry. This line it up with any of those. So you'll align it basically like this. That way this sits flush to this back part right here, because if you don't, it won't sit right. So it's got to go into there. So I'll show you how to install the ring. Just goes right in behind here. Very simple. Just like that. Put it on an angle like this, slide it in, and just close it. Put the notch right over here. See if I can bring the camera in a little better. Bring the notch in right over here. And now this piece right here, sorry about the sun, but it's what I have to work with right now, will go right here. And now you're going to get your tool and just hand tighten it for now. See, it's hand tight. Everything's all lined up. So that is the way the lock it goes onto the wheel. Now you're going to take the Allen key they give you along with this tool, and you're going to snug it. Like so. So now that's all snugged up. This lock isn't going anywhere. it'd be near impossible for anyone to get any kind of tool in here. And if they did, they would destroy the wheel and the wheel would be worthless, so they wouldn't want to steal it anyway. Also, to finish the job, you're gonna get your wheel lock, put your key in, put it in that position, goes right in. That's it. And then you can pop your factory center cap right in. Like so. So now this is what the wheel lock looks like fully installed. Kind of from a side angle. It will stick out a little further than stock. It's to be expected. But once you come from the front, it looks pretty much factory. You really can't tell. Even if you have factory wheel locks installed, you don't have to remove them. This will work with them. So if you don't want to look like one of these guys, this is the way to go. So I'll show you just how to remove them real quick. There's that little notch right there. So you can get your center cap out with a screwdriver or a pry tool. So I'm going to show you how to remove everything real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to use a plastic pry tool like this to pull the center cap off. You're going to just place it in there, pop your center cap off. You're going to get your key. Really nice keys, really solid locking mechanism. And now you're going to use this key, or tool rather. You insert that, put your Allen key in, and you're just gonna spin it off. And it's that simple to get them off. Doesn't take a lot of time. See? Your wheel lock is completely removed. You can pull this out. I would recommend pulling them out before going to a dealer, and you just pop your center cap back in, which I'm not going to do because I'm put the wheel lock back on. And yeah, I would recommend, you know, pulling these off before you go to the dealer, because they may not know how to use them. Just pop them out, make their life easier so they don't damage your wheels trying to mess around. These also go for other cars as well: BMW, Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, Tesla. So these wheel locks are just not specific to the Honda. They're specific to the wheel you have. So you can go to their website, RIMGARD.com, and check out whatever you'd like to see if, you know, you might want to buy one of their products. You know, I think it's a great product. It looks good. The function and quality seems to be top notch. This is like, just the way it feels in your hand, this is nice stuff. You know what I mean? This is like really good quality stuff. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.